So we look at it as gladiator sport. In a sense कि हम लोग beef है इसलिए battle नहीं कर रहे. हम battle कर रहे to showcase our skills. It's a sport. It's a sport. Like it gives you straight up bragging rights. Like I know I can walk in a venue and no motherfucker will be like eventually.
यो तूने बैटल लिख ली क्या?
बैटल लिख रहा हूँ, लिखी नहीं है. मोर देन हाफ वे थ्रू.
कैसा चल रहा है?
चल काफी वियर्ड नहीं बोलना है, मतलब सो द गाय दैट आई एम बैटलिंग उसके अगेंस्ट कुछ पर्सनल ग्रज नहीं है.
Vanathar versus Rapture is finally happening, y'all. It's the underdog versus the battling god. Oh wait for that CMF.
There is no pinpoint things जिसके ऊपर मैं ऐसे
You respect him more like an MC.
हाँ, I respect him more as a lyrical rapper. Like I'm battling him because he's lyrically very good, and I want to tackle him lyrically.
This also like brings me to the question, bro. यार जैसे तेरा नाम Rapture से पहले बहुत पहले SI था, right? And तेरा था V23, right? So like back then you guys used to battle. You used to like write battles, and even if like physically battle someone. But उस चीज से the transition to being a musician, वो चीज मेरे को like समझ नहीं आया, like क्योंकि अगर मैं I'm like writing, I'm typing out stuff, मुझे mixing mastering के बारे में most assumably नहीं पता होगा, right? And I wouldn't know shit like क्या कैसे record होता है, how much money I have to put in for this, और beat के rights के बारे में नहीं पता मुझे, जो कि बहुत like you know starting anyone who's like starting out they don't consider it important enough. But धीरे धीरे as you progress तुम्हें समझ में आता है कितने लौड़े लगते हैं bro उन चीजों की.
Technicalities basically bro, all the like
so that one fucking transition bro, like from this person, this rapper, this battle rapper who used to like write battles,
and उसके बाद गाना बनाना है.
Yeah, so ये मैं कि this transition जो तुम लोग ने बोला कि equipment सब रहता है and all of those things वो बाद में पता चलता है. हम लोग के टाइम पे like ऐसा कुछ there was no thought, ऐसा कुछ पता भी नहीं था, हमको भी नहीं पता था कि you know, I mean we started learning slowly कि हाँ this much, but we didn't have any money to go out and just get a mic और वहाँ पे USB mic भी rarely, you know, there used to be some rappers with like proper studios, setups and stuff, and they used to make songs and stuff, and they used to go visit studios and all that, and like you know there used to be some rappers who were learning things, me included in that space, where it's like हम लोग record करते थे Intex mic पे, फोन के वॉइस नोट पे रिकॉर्ड करते थे, बीट को अलग से हेडफोन में सुनते थे अलग, हाँ, और वो मैच करने देखते थे बाद में पोस्ट में. तो ये सब करके सीख के आए हैं. इनफैक्ट that's the rapping क्या बोलता है पर्सपेक्टिव. कोई प्रोड्यूसर्स है जो कैसेट टेप्स, RJB Ernesto used to make music from cassette tapes without even, you know, so it's like creativity when it on like जब ये आता ना बाहर तो you can't stop it bro. It's just supposed, I feel like it's supposed to happen. And
तो भाई तूने अब तक कितनी बैटल रैप्स करे होंगे, like almost like number if you have like
more than 50 easy bro.
easy
50.
और कोई
और
ऐसा
उसमें तो कितने सारे तो फ्री स्टाइल,
अरे
या कोई इवेंट पे हो रहे हैं या कहीं पे हो रहे हैं. 99 साइड को मैं I met at this corporate battle rap event था bro.
Corporate?
हाँ, कोई corporate थे,
बैटल रैप करा रहे हैं वो,
बैटल रैप करा रहे थे, फ्री स्टाइल बैटल रैप करा रहे थे. और अच्छा like 25
गया था मेरा बॉस है चोदू लोडू
bro, 25k on the line, 25k on the line for whoever wins. I didn't know that was the case. मेरे को लग रहा था 3-4 हजार होगा भाई. येड़ा ना कॉल्स मी, येड़ा इज लाइक तू बैटल में आ रहा ना, मतलब बैटल में बच्चे लोग को कौन बुली करेगा ब्रो. 18-19 साल के बच्चे आते हैं, कौन बुली करेगा ब्रो. 3-4 हजार बोलो, कौन बोलते को 3-4 हजार, मतलब व्हाट डू यू मीन. बोलता ब्रो 25,000 है विनिंग प्राइस. मतलब रुक मैं अभी ऊबर कर रहा हूँ, 2 मिनट रुक मैं ऊबर कर रहा हूँ. एंड दैट्स
क्या रैपर लालची है.
नहीं ब्रो, क्या बैटल रैपर्स पैसा कमा पा रहे हैं.
हाँ, बैटल रैपर्स, हाँ, बैटल रैपर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आई विल गेट टू दैट. तो 25 क्या? Like, why the fuck not, bro? मतलब for 3,000 I would bully somebody.
Yeah,
But for 25,000 I will bully his family.
So Rapture will bully you for 25 fucking K.
Let's go,
Yes.
भाई.
Yo,
इससे ज़्यादा
yo,
bro.
40K I will bully your grandfather in his grave. Who the fuck are you? Another body or a potential classic match. Regardless, you'll go home in a plastic wrap or in a fancy coffin. Your hobbies will put you in the grave, and 2 hours later they'll find me dancing on it. Hey yo, it will be catastrophic. I'll bring the plague with my rage. It will be damn bubonic. Death of
I think I'm -3 gen.
-3
The pirates in the
So I am
sea,
like,
bro.
हाँ,
I don't know what gen it is, bro.
तुम लोग first generation. EMF
I wouldn't say
को.
we are the first generation.
Who is the first generation? Brasik.
The creators, yeah, Brasik.
Brasik first
Speed
gen,
Ice,
हाँ.
Speed Ice, Brasik.
Shout out to them.
Shout out to them.
And second gen तुम लोग हो.
Yeah. yeah.
Third gen हम लोग है. क्या third gen EMF है और fourth gen हम लोग
Yeah,
है.
third gen is EMF.
EMF, Eccentric,
Yeah.
and then fourth gen is me, Shreyas, and
Yeah,
everybody. हाँ.
yeah.
Fourth generation fucking. Fourth generation. So तभी B3 used to have a WhatsApp group जहाँ पे text battle होते थे.
Oh, let's go.
And Facebook पे भी एक group था जहाँ पे text battle होते थे. तो जहाँ पे ये लोग जज करते थे एंड फीडबैक देते थे.
उस समय नया नया फेसबुक आया होगा, राइट?
हाँ, नया नहीं था.
Facebook
हाँ,
का
कुछ से
craze था.
और कुछ से
हाँ,
बाद
I
में
was-
चल के
Facebook का
हाँ,
craze था
और
उस
कुछ तो
time
मैंने
पे.
देखा भी नहीं.
बहुत ज़्यादा.
और कुछ तो मैंने देखा भी
Orkut के
नहीं.
बहुत
हाँ.
बाद है.
हाँ.
Oh, it's just fourth gen.
In
then.
fact, we
हाँ,
are
fourth gen.
in 2023 we are closer to this time than we are to.
हाँ,
Okay.
exactly. तो फेसबुक था भाई. फेसबुक पे तो मैं मचान बकचोदी करता था. all of them also.
Everybody.
अभी भी करता है ना bro, तेरे को पता है ना ये बात.
Hated bro. Straight up, full बकचोदी. But battle करते थे भाई. Text battle करते थे. ये लोग feedback देते थे. That's how the back and forth happened. Then EMF fucking did a prank with me. I don't know if you know about it.
Oh.
EMF did this weird shit where he told me that he's an orphan child and he lives in a church and he doesn't know how to battle and he's like, Samir, can you teach me how to battle? मैंने लाइफ में बैटल किया ही नहीं है. And he's like, but मेरा बैटल हो रहा है D-Will के साथ. तू आना देखने के लिए.
हाँ.
I'm like, ठीक है भाई. मैं पहुंचा हूँ.
This is that
And
battle.
तभी हाँ, Noxious के साथ मेरा conversation चालू है. Noxious is like, bro, jokes over bars, and I'm like, no bro. So Noxious बोला bars over jokes, and I'm like, no bro, jokes over bars. धवल ये चूते को किल करेगा ब्रो. ये कौन है ब्रो? ये झाटू है, because I didn't know that's EMF. I'm like, ये झाटे कौन है भाई? And then I saw the battle. I'm like, fuck. EMF.
तू उससे पहले मिला नहीं था ये.
मिला नहीं था.
Because
That
ये
was the
सारा
first time I
text
met him.
based था और
हाँ,
time
we
पे-
never met.
हाँ,
Yeah,
हाँ,
that was
अच्छा,
yeah.
I saw EMF for
Sure.
the first time. That battle, if like you need to go and check that battle, one fucking.
Dude, that
great
shit
shot,
makes
bro.
me so curious. मतलब फिर अगर ये text से जो physical transition है, is it what I'm thinking it is like?
No. So this text stage, by the time we did that event, that was
हाँ.
already second event of B3.
हाँ, वो होने
Okay.
चालू हो गया था.
And उसके
हाँ.
पहले B3 के पहले भी battles होते थे.
Okay.
But
Okay.
if you want to take it like this is like a long
Journey.
explanation.
Yeah,
So
yeah, yeah.
the thing is that जो mainstream media and the YouTubers and everything what's happening right now. I mean this is like it's not their fault because people don't really research as much and not just that much information is not out there कि ये क्या है. तो where their history of Indian hip hop starts is like a point in the middle. Now there is a whole past behind this history of where their Indian hip hop starts, where all this culture they think that it started from, but the actual beginning of Indian hip hop, specifically rap, is text battle rap. रातों रात online बैठे रहते थे सारे from all the states, all
I
the
guess
cities.
Brothavi and everyone was also onto it. हाँ.
Everybody. In fact, I'm so proud of that generation, people from that generation who are still here and still doing it and doing it
That's
well.
cool.
And I feel like वो एक point of time था जब भी lyrics was like the thing that you had to have to call yourself a rapper. MC, sorry, not rapper, not
Yeah,
just a
yeah.
rapper.
Yeah,
So and for all of us, it was just fun and games, bro. ऐसा we never
कोई monetary
नहीं कोई कुछ इमेजिन नहीं किया था कि ऐसा होगा, ये भी होगा, ये भी करेंगे, ये भी होगा, इंडियन हिप हॉप सीन भी होगा. हम लोग सब 8 Mile देखे थे वो टाइम पे, इंस्पायर हो गया था. एंड आई वेंट ऑन ऑर्कुट एंड आई वाज लाइक, so before 8 Mile थोड़ा context देता हूँ, like my whole journey starts there and I feel like Indian hip hop's journey for a lot of us, for the actual journey of hip hop starts there. It's like I used to write a little bit of poetry here and there. It's not something amazing or whatever. But then when I heard hip hop for the first time, that's where I was like, yo, this is like a good way to express yourself. But it only hit me when I saw 8 Mile. And for a lot of rappers, that's very true. Because uske pehle dekha nahi tha. And then I was like, dude, I want to connect with this art form. Ye kahan pe mil raha hai? What is going on? So I just, तभी Orkut था. तभी ये सब था ही नहीं. तो Orkut में बैठा मैं and I just typed hip hop, whatever, blah, blah, blah. And I knew a lot of, so I was not from here. I was in Doha. And from there, I thought that, okay, maybe, you know, there's a community going on. And I had a lot of people who were my friends from Mumbai. So I went online, I saw this thing. एक forum है bro, ऐसे बहुत सारे forum. This is before Insignia as well. There's like 30-40 forums of just people, noobs, wannabes, online battling each other. Just like गाली दे रहे एक दूसरे को, ये हो रहा है, कोई बाहर जा रहा है. And there used to be this place called Battle Shelter as well. That was also a place before pre-Insignia that shit got real over there. Like, you know, it was completely uncensored, completely, the vibes were like ultimate, impeccable. Huh? ये सब Orkut. And that's the pre-requirement to toughen your skin up. Yeah, I'm not joking.
So that happened with me in
noob.
real life, so it's okay.
So that's just carry on. वो सिर्फ वो tradition है bro.
नहीं, ये मेरे साथ रियल लाइफ में हुआ है.
बैटल रैप ट्रेडिशन है वो. बैटल रैप ट्रेडिशन
किया जाता है
कि
bro.
तुमको पहले बुली करेंगे, पहले तुमको तुम्हारी जगह बताएंगे लोग कि भाई तू है नहीं, तू जो भी सोच रहा ना तू है नहीं.
एग्रेशन पैदा करेंगे.
हाँ, aggression, yeah, and that at that point when you're young and you want to learn this, तू पागल हो जाएगा, तो बोला what has happened to me and you want to
नहीं, because साइफर में यही होता था. ये लोग सब थे भाई वेटरन्स. हम लोग, मैं जा रहा हूँ साइफर पे एंड ये लोग लेफ्ट राइट डिस कर रहे हैं. I'm like, बेंचोद क्या कर रहे हैं भाई? Why am I being targeted like this, bro?
So then after all of that, when you start like making better bars and lines and जो भी है, फिर वहाँ पे हम लोग को पता चला there's this community popping up called Insignia. Insignia was the first, I would say, like the major like explosion of this whole Indian hip hop, Indian rap scenario. क्योंकि Insignia में the first time ever anybody has done it till date, in fact, there was a ranking system, which took in ये सारे जो भी 50 communities है, उनमें से rappers ले रहे हैं इन लोग, and they are ranking them based on wins, losses or draws, and there used to be a percentage. और 4 ये रहते थे ranks. पहले factory tobacco, फिर बीड़ी, फिर cigarette, and then cigars. So you start out as a factory tobacco. हाँ, तो यहाँ पे तो based on your wins and तो and
comebacks to the bullies.
and no, you had to be somebody to be in Insignia, bro. Battle rap, I feel like, is the highest level of poetry, because here you are not just writing poetry, you're comparing your poetry with somebody else's, and in so many different ways, beautiful ways that nobody can even think of. You know, it's a very beautiful part of poetry, and it's I would say it's one of the highest levels of poetry that you can reach, and that's why I feel battle rap culture यहाँ पे रहना ही चाहिए. Not just to OGs, even before that, the bricks that we built are the walls that you climbed, you know. So this is a freestyle. So sorry. So that's we are just we just doing that, you know. This is all and it's not like coming from this is not my words. These are my people behind me. And I always like thank them for giving me this experience, and
that's what laid the blueprint for our generation.
Exactly. And coming all the way back to B3 was after all of this. Facebook सब बंद हो गया, Insignia सब बंद हो गया, rappers are making music and all that, and then I don't know what happened. It was my crew, ex crew, whatever elsewhere. We were making music with each other, we were like vibing with each other, and we thought like, you know what, like we are not noticing कि यहाँ पे lyricism नहीं है, and we felt that personally because we somehow or the other, these guys didn't start from battle rap, they were starting on themselves, but we are all attracted to lyricism and poetry, bro. ये सब में है जो भी elsewhere में थे ना, तो वो चीज़ connected us, and we were like, we don't see this thing happening outside us. I mean, it was a little egotistical as well, but वो होता है, वो ego trip सब में होता है bro. Artist के journey में you need an ego trip, and I feel like that was the time for us. And then we were like, let's just try making कि एक battle rap league बनाते हैं, call it B3 whatever. We came up and we did one event at Sion Fort, and we bought battle rap like for the legit battle rap as it was going on.
was when exactly, like what year?
This was 2015, I think.
2014,
14, 15 at Sion Fort. Sion Fort used to be the hub for b-boying battles. और मैं तभी Slum Gods में था, and that's a breaking crew from Dharavi, and that was their training ground. Sion Fort. So तो वहाँ पे, and we used to be in college. I used to be in college at that time, and तब मेरे को पता चला, oh, this is happening. Let's do it there. And then you carry on tradition, and that's where new battle rappers are carrying that forward as well and making music as well. And there's a very wrong tag. I don't know about anywhere else in the world, but India mein battle rappers can make music. In fact, battle rappers do make music.
They make metal music, sure.
yeah, and I will.
I've seen is that they're more poetic in a way, bro.
I feel like, yeah.
They battle rappers have that thing कि भाई lyricism होना चाहिए.
तो बाबे अपन community की बात कर रहे हैं, and let's come to Allegiance. तो bro, what are your plans for Allegiance and कैसे bring कर रहे हो उस चीज़
इंडिया
को
में क्या
वापस?
कर रहा है तू प्लान?
My plan is very simple, bro. I want to get battles done. One thing about battle is people love watching battles. They just don't know that they love watching battles.
No क्या भाई, we really.
Unless they see it. And that's what I want to do. I want to get battles done. बॉम्बे में हो गया है, अब दिल्ली में कराएंगे, पुणे में कराएंगे, बैंगलोर में कराएंगे. I got like community का जो बात है
कश्मीर का
ना,
प्लान है तेरा?
हाँ कश्मीर में भी कराएंगे bro.
चलेंगे भाई.
But that's my plan कि I am reaching out to community.
ठीक है, accommodation में चाचा.
Insider jokes.
हाँ भाई,
Insider jokes start now.
हाँ भाई.
ऐसी बंद है बैठो चिल नहीं बैठो हाँ रावत नहीं रूड नहीं लग रहा चिल लग रहे हो तुम अंदर का ऐसी बंद
कुछ छुपेगा तो अच्छा लगेगा. मास्क पहनेगा राजन. भाई मास्क पहन के आ रहा है क्या? What the fuck bro? क्या आफ्टर मूवी बन रहा है? BTS.
हम बम्बई की सड़कों पे घूमे, हमने सीन को खोजा, हमने हर बैटल रैपर्स के साथ बात करी, B3 इंडिया को समझा, बैटल रैप को समझा, और
पॉडकास्ट हुए भाई, पॉडकास्ट हुए. उसके बाद हम लोग आज फाइनली वहाँ आ गए हैं जिस चीज़ का सबको वेट था. 4 बैटल्स होने वाली हैं, 8 बैटलर्स आ रहे हैं, EMF परफॉर्म करने वाला है, पोएटिक जस्टिस इस शिट को होस्ट कर रहा है
ब्रो.
यस सर.
That's what up.
यस सर.
और ऐसा सीन है ब्रो कि जो ये बैटल्स है,
या
इसको हेडलाइन कर रही है रैप्चर और वैनेटर की बैटल. हमने रैप्चर को लिखते हुए देखा है from the very start, and now it being delivered to that ground level. That's what we are about to witness today.
Couldn't walk like a mile long, man. You fat piece of shit. You couldn't walk like a mile long. Man, Rapture is so fat he doesn't sit, he piles on. I said, you fat piece of shit. Your homies know you ain't gifted, bro. Man, Rapture is so fat even gravity couldn't lift him up.
I am Rapture, motherfucker. I bully the bullies till they run to the police, and I'm the mayor of Bombay hip hop, and I don't appreciate the trash that is left by the tourist. Yo, so get a job before your visa expires, and I won't stop till these divas retire. Hey, yo, he looks like a motherfucker who would hand me a console and say, yo, this is FIFA, bro, try kar. Yo, goofs like you would get chewed up in a cipher. So let's keep that in mind, that this is not Attack of Titan, and you are not Levi because you can't even afford a spiker. Die.